Tired of wrestling with separate first and last names in your Excel spreadsheets? Let's fix that. First, we need to create a new, empty column where our combined names will live. This will be our destination column. Find the first empty cell in this new column, right next to your last names. Now, we'll use a simple Excel trick. Click into the formula bar at the top of your screen. This is where we'll combine our names. Start by typing an equals sign. This tells Excel we're about to enter a formula. Next, click on the cell containing the first name you want to combine. In this case, it's John. After the first name cell, type an ampersand. The ampersand is like a connector in Excel, joining things together. To make sure there's a space between the first and last names, we'll type an opening quotation mark, a space, and then a closing quotation mark. This creates that essential gap. Type another ampersand. We're still connecting pieces. Finally, click on the cell containing the corresponding last name. This is Doe in our example. Press enter, and voila, your first and last names are beautifully combined into a single cell. Now, to apply this to all your names, locate the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell containing your combined name. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag this fill handle all the way down to the end of your list. Excel automatically applies the same formula to each row, merging all your names efficiently. And there you have it, a single, unified name column for your data, making your spreadsheets much easier to manage and more professional. That's how you powerfully combine first and last names in Excel.